Hello students, how are you all? All are fine. Okay. So today we will learn class 2 computer. Okay. So first class we have already studied the introduction of computers. What is computer? Uses of computer. Places where computer are used. Computers and humans, and also difference of computer and a human being. So today we will learn from here now. So let's start. A computer is an electronic machine. We all know that computer is an electronic machine. A computer can be used for playing games, solving sums, listening to songs, and making drawings, etc. Isn't it? We all can use in computer like games we can play. We can solve many of difficult or tough sums. We can listen many of kind of songs also, and making drawings also. We can make drawings also. Now the next point, computers are used at different places, isn't it? Such as banks, hospitals, shops and schools, etc. So we use computer like different places, like banks. We can see in banks also we use computer, hospitals, shops and schools also. Number 4 point C, it works much faster than a human being. It works very fast than human being. Computers and human beings are different, obviously, because computer is a non-living thing and human being is a living thing, isn't it? Okay, now. So here are some question answers we have to do in homework. Let's start. Answer the following questions. Write names of any 4 places where computers are used. So you have to write here 4 places name where computer are used. We know all. School, we can see in schools there we used computer for many works. Office, you know all. Banks, shops. Okay, if you have any another option you can write here also. Okay, now the next second question is here. Write 3 difference between a computer and a human being. Okay, a computer does not have feelings. Computer does not have feelings because they are not alive, isn't it? They doesn't have life. But a human being has feelings because it has life. Second point, a computer cannot think on its own, isn't it? We give him instructions, we have to give, then it work. Without our instruction, it cannot work. Second, you can see here a human being can think on his own. Next, a computer does not make mistakes, isn't it? Computer does not make mistakes. A human being can make mistakes. Okay, you can add here more differences. There are many types of differences there. I have put here some 3. You can do many of there is, okay. Now next, number 3 question, that write any 4 uses of a computer. You have to write here uses of a computer. First one, playing games. We all know that we can play games in a computer. Second, we can watch movies also. Number 3, listening to music. We can listen music also in a computer. Number 4, we can make here drawings also. Okay, now filling the blanks. Here is some option you can see. We have to do what? That we have to find out. Okay, I need to write here. Now first one. A dash is slow in doing calculation. Who is slow in doing calculation? Obviously, a human being. So you have to find from here. Here is the human being. Okay. Number 1. Now second, a computer has no, what will happen? Yes, you're right, feelings. Computer has no feelings. Number 3, a computer is an, what will happen? Dash machine. Yes, electronic machine. Number 4, a calculator is dash than a computer. What will happen? Yes, smaller. Isn't it? Smaller than a computer. A computer can work dash. Yes, the last one. A computer can work continuously. Okay. Now, number C, write true and false. Okay. Number 1, a computer has no intelligence. 2, it doesn't have any type of intelligence. Isn't it? We give instruction, after that it works. Now second point, a computer cannot work continuously. False. Human being get tired, but computer never get tired. It can work continuously. Okay. Number 3, a human being does not make mistakes. No, it make mistakes. So it will happen here. False. Okay, now turn your page, everyone. Number 4. The word computer comes from the word data. No. The correct answer is compute. Isn't it? C-O-M-P-U-T-E. Compute. So here will happen false. Next. A computer can think on its own. No. It will happen false here. It cannot think. A human being can think on its own. Isn't it? Okay, now. Number D. Name 4 machines that work with the help of electricity. So we have to write here names that work with the help of electricity. So we know all that computer it need help of electricity for work. Second point is television. It also need electricity. Third, iron. Isn't it? Without electricity, it cannot work. Refrigerator. So I have written here 4 points. You can add more also if you can find. Okay. Now number E. Identify the feature that belongs to a computer and a man. Write C for computer and M for man. So we have to identify that who belongs to computer and who belongs to man. Okay. For computer you have to write here C, and for man you have to write here M. Okay, let's start. Number 1, has no intelligence. Who has not any intelligence? Computer. Computer has no intelligence. Number 2, works very fast. Who works very fast? Obviously computer works very fast. Number 3, cannot think on its own. Who can think on its own? Obviously computer. For number 4, has feelings. Who has feelings? Yes, human being, man. Man has feelings. Number 5, does not make mistakes. Who doesn't make mistakes? Yes, computer does not make mistakes. Number 6, gets tired after working. Who gets tired? Yes, man. Human being gets tired after work. We need rest, isn't it? Number 7, cannot take decision on its own. Who can take? Yes, computer. Number 8, can work without instruction. Who can work? Yes, you're right, man. Man can work without instruction. Okay, now next you can see here that write one similarity and one difference between a computer and calculator. So you have to do what? That you have to make a difference between a computer and calculator. Okay, do it in your homework. Now number B, name any machine that does not require electricity to work. That means it doesn't need electricity. It can move by his own. Write it in your copy. I will check it. Okay, next activity zone. Complete the given crossword. Here is crossword, so you have to do what? That here is some instruction you have to do from here. So follow this. First one is, you can see here, across. Across means that you have to write beside, Okay, now it is an electronic machine. So you have to guess who is an electronic machine. Yes, computer. So see, here is number 2. Here is also 2. So you have to write here like this. A calculator is small in what? Number 3. See, here is also written 3. Obviously size will happen here. Number 4. Can take his own decision. Who can take? Yes, number 4 we will happen that human being. Okay, now down. See the down portion you have to write now here. Number 1, a computer can be used to play. Yes, games will happen, no? Number 1 here, games, GAMES, games. Number 2, it can only do calculation. Who? Calculator. CALCULATER, calculator. Okay, now this will be your homework. Do it. Okay, everyone. Next class we will start our next chapter. After that, stay tuned. Do practice in your home. Okay, stay safe. Bye bye. Take care.